Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update your WhatsApp business app. All right, this one will work on both iOS and Android, and as you can see here, I'm using an Android device. So what we're going to do first is just open up our Play Store, or on your iOS, just open up your respective app store. All right, now once you are on the App Store or Play Store, we're going to make use of the search bar right here, or the search icon. Then click on Search Apps and Games. Once done, go ahead and type in WhatsApp Business App. All right, hit enter, or just go ahead and enter WhatsApp Business. It doesn't matter. All right, once you see it here, if you can see update right here in this section, just go ahead and tap on that. Wait for the process to finish, and it will prompt you that the update is done. And once it's done, just go ahead over back to your home page or home screen. Then go ahead and open up your WhatsApp Business app, and you're good to go. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.